Hello YouTube, I just real quick video how I get these apart. Doesn't matter what brand they are. Take a rod and push that plunger down till it sticks out. Be careful, wear goggles and then clamp a vice grip on there. And then see how I'm kind of beveling at an angle? There, focus. That'll make it big enough for that plunger can pop out this way. And it's got a nice spring, it's worth saving. Save everything. Don't throw away small parts. Okay, we'll show you when we're done, when we get it apart, what it looks like. Okay, that's the Dremel bit I used. Yep, pops right out. You made it big enough. Like I said, and save this stuff. You might need that little pin. I don't know what it's made out of, but this is made out of chrome-plated brass. There's a gasket down in here. See it? And there's a gasket in the cap inside of these. If you take the gasket out, it will screw on here further. When you see that it'll go on there a little bit further. We're just gonna make another tool. We haven't decided. Ooh, like I always say, you have it on a rack, it'll roll away on your desk. Okay, back to work. This is gonna be real quick. Okay, we're trying to make some kind of tool because we're so bored. But in here, there's that in there, and I don't think it's very thick. See where the hole gets smaller, or it's made smaller? I don't think it's that thick. We're going to see if we can grain that out with our Dremel. So we may be back, or this may be the end of the video. Either way, you can do this. We'll bring you back and let you know what happened before we go. We want to make this a short video. Just look at all the stuff I'm using. So there's a rubber thing. Go save all that stuff. You don't know what you're going to use it for. Okay. It's only been down in quite a 16th of an inch thick, but I'll take a picture and see that ground on it. See where it's not round anymore. Don't stick a drill bit in there. It's going to catch. And you've got the device you're just going to wreck. And don't put a stone in there on your Dremel. They'll snag and grab too, so we'll snap a photo of that so you can see what it looks like a little bit. So it will come out of there. Another tip, you'd be amazed on your brake line parts what will fit on like a blowgun for your air compressor. You know, you blow stuff off, what parts will fit. So who knows what these threads will fit on, like stuff like this. So I know they're not cheap. You'd probably be shocked when you go into parts store. They want like $6 for 4 of these. Anyway, $4. I was $4 for the valve caps. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're out of here. Just an idea so you know how these things work. Because somebody's going to ask me. They're going to see them in one of my videos. So we're trying to go over that screwdriver shaft. Make some kind of tool. We're gone. Just a quick add-on if you're still watching and the pictures will come after. That's like aluminum. And I decided to take a drill and stick it in there. And I tried a bigger one, you know, to be safer. You don't want to drill bit to snag in a hole. Well, finally I went down to a smaller one. And I snagged that thing and it popped out of there. Because I go, that's not brass. I'll snap a picture of it. So, I think you could drive it out from the other side. I'm not sure. We'll save that for another video. Just to let you know. I would try driving out from the other side. If I can, I'll show you a picture. You'll see a picture of me using something that drove it out. Okay? So the hole will be smaller. So, look for the pictures. Always at the end. I always include extras. We're out of here.